Hello friend, first time here is UI and UX app design kit bundle. Total design is 31 for Android applications, but these are protected. Password in this app. Go to Google Play Store, write Sheri SK and buy now for lifetime. All password in this app and daily update when I update any video. Okay, iPhone user can contact me on my WhatsApp number. Here is my Facebook page. Join me on Facebook, and last is my Telegram channel, Sheri SK Official. I will provide every link of video first here, so join me for advanced notification. So here is with different format like a XT, PSD, AI, and Sketch, and here is a Figma file. PSD, Sketch, and last is XT. Double click and you see here is 5 pages. 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, here is your categories and price. Here is your location, haircut format, and here is main service, main home page. Okay, last is this one, so you can design. Next is called smart insurance. Open it. Here is it, just 3 pages. Section, atom, extract atom, info, and here is chart, atom, scale, info, and text. Simply you can change anything. Okay, here is a color, depend your own choice. Now, and here is a crypto beer app, just for this format, not for Photoshop. Food delivery app, PSD. Here is a 5 pages. Wow, live location, and here is a home page, look like a barber app. Parking finder, music player. Wow, amazing. Your song title, good. Amazing, you can do anything. No, sorry, here is sketch, XT, game store app, five pages. Eliminator, look like a Play Store. Install it, download your cart. I hope these UI designs are useful for you. Subscribe me and download this app for password. Take care, Allah Hafiz.